Hello guys, welcome back. So today's demonstration we're gonna discuss regarding the SOAP connector. How you can create a SOAP connector. In details, I'll show you. So let's start the demo. Very first, we need to select a project as usual and click on a connectors option. Okay, the connector we can use the particular connector in your flow service and your flow like workflows as well. That's why we require the connectors. So click on the SOAP option. Here, add connector option is available. Click on this particular option. If you have a URL, either you can, by using this option, you can create a SOAP connector. Otherwise, if you have a file, then you can, by using this option, you can do that. So I'll do one thing. Click on APIs. We already created a SOAP APIs, student SOAP APIs, right? So click on this particular API and this API details option is available. Just download it. Okay. So once you click on that, the particular file got download. Okay. Student soap API dot XML. This is XML basically. So I'm using this XML file. So click on connector. So then click on add connector option. Choose this import from file. Okay. Browse file. I'm selecting this student soap APIs. Okay. Then I just delete this. Okay. Click on next option. Here you can pass some description to page student data. Then a connector icon. If you have any kind of connector icon on your local, you can just upload this PNG format image. Username, password. In your API, if you mention the particular credential, that case you can use this option. Okay. Then what I do, okay, I need to mention the name. So give the user defined name as a so API connector. Okay. Then automatically the save option will highlight. Okay. So once you click on the save option, here you can see the particular add int operation we mentioned here. Connector info you can see here particular. Okay. If you want to like validate the schema with X-ray, then you can select this option as a true. So that way you can create a SOAP connector. Here you can see the SOAP API connector got created and want to likewise. Let's suppose I want to use this connector in my flow service. So what I do, go to integration, flow service, click on this plus icon here, give the name as a SOAP soap flow service. Okay. Then here you can this particular connector. So I what I give, like soap API connector I gave the name, right. So just the like here option is available, add custom operation. Yeah, basically this is by default option is available. Just select this particular option. Here please choose account option is available. Configure account, create account manually. Okay. Here you can like by default account name you can keep as it is. All things you can keep as it is, but add option is not available. So port binding, select this student soap API port and then click on add option. So that way you can add your account in this particular soap connector. It means whatever soap connector you created, if you want to in your flow service, either flow service, your workflows, that way you can so here by using this option you can do the mapping as well. So again by using this option you can save and let me show you the particular connector one account got a configure. Click on soap. Here you can see the one account configured operation. You can check here. Okay, input output. So this is my add integer input output. You can see here and then close. After that, play option is available. So that way you can like create your soap connector, then you can run. If you have any kind of query, you can see here authorization required. So you can pass the authorization and then you can do the verification as well, like testing as well. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. Here we discuss two way you can create a soap connector, and as well as those particular connector you can how to invoke this connector in your flow service. As well as I already uploaded on the same channel how to create a REST API connector. So you can go through all those videos so that you will get a basic idea. And I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a great day.